Hi, my name is Luke, and this is Which Items Consume Most Hard Drive Space? If you'd like a quick and easy way to determine which hard drives or which files on your hard drive are consuming the most hard drive space, what you're going to want to do is download and install a program called Space Sniffer. It's free to download off the internet from its developers at uderzo.it. Simply Google Space Sniffer and click on the first link by Uderzo, which should be the product page. Click on Downloads, and then choose the appropriate download that you'd like. Once you have the program downloaded and installed, run it, select the drive that you'd like to analyze, and click Start. Let it finish its analyzing, and once it's done, you'll notice which files on your computer take up the most hard drive space. It'll organize it first by size, and then it will subcategorize it into smaller files, or what takes up the most space in those containers. And that's it.